Editing a client's information in Pet Sitter Plus is important for keeping client records accurate and up to date. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. First, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Clients tab on the left-hand menu. First, we need to find the client record that we want to edit. You can do this in a few different ways. One option is to click on a letter to see all clients whose last names begin with that letter. You can also click Go whilst the search field is empty to view a list of all active clients. Alternatively, you can use the search field to enter the client's first or last name, pet name, email address, phone number, or even a part of their address. Just click Go to find a match. It is important to note that with Pet Sitter Plus, while you can manually edit and enter your client's information yourself, something we'll show you how to do next, you also have the option to activate and provide your clients with a client portal. This feature allows your clients to log in and update their own information, significantly reducing your administrative workload. You can choose how much information you'd like to complete for your clients and how much you prefer them to fill in themselves. Furthermore, you can optionally allow your staff to access this information and, if appropriate, even update it. Pet Sitter Plus offers the flexibility to control what level of access staff members have. For example, while some admins may prefer to allow their sitters to update care plan details, others might prefer to restrict access to sensitive client information. This is where Pet Sitter Plus shines, as the system allows you to set clear permissions. Staff access can be tailored to allow them to view only the information they need or to update specific details, depending on your preferences. It's also worth noting that these permissions are fully customizable, ensuring that you maintain control over what your staff can see and do within the system. We'll cover how to configure these settings to suit your business needs in another video. In the Details section under Client Information, you will find pages and fields ready to capture essential information about your customer and their home. We suggest starting by adding the client's phone numbers and address, as this is essential for scheduling visits and ensuring your staff have accurate location details. Simply enter this information in the appropriate fields on the Client Details page and click Update at the top to save the changes to the client account. After that, you can proceed to the other pages and fields to add any additional information you wish. One of the key benefits of Pet Sitter Plus is its full customizability with custom fields. Custom fields enable you to add or edit any fields within your database, ensuring that you can tailor your database and you can ask all the necessary questions to your clients. We'll delve into this in more detail in an upcoming video, or you can check out the help article linked in the description box below. And that's it. You have successfully edited your client's information in Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.